How to create board on Pinterest. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can create a board on Pinterest. In order to make a Pinterest board, first of all, you need to make sure that you already have a Pinterest account and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're logged into your account, this is how the interface is going to look like. On this page, click on the profile icon located right at the bottom. So over here, you'll be able to see that these are all the pinned videos that you've recently saved or maybe liked it or maybe downloaded. So what you need to do is, in order to create a board, you can see right on top under edit profile there are two different tabs. So click on boards. As soon as you click on boards, you'll be taken to the interface where you'll be able to see create board, or if you have already created a board, all you have to do is just tap on it. In our case, we're creating a board, so click on create boards. Now over here, you need to select all the images that you wish to add it to your board. Let's go with this one and click on the next button. Since you're creating a board, you need to give a title or a name to it as well. So now type in the name and click on the done button located right on top. Now the board has been created. So as you can see, these are all the photos and images that is on your board. So in this way, you can create a board or make a board on Pinterest. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.